And it feels like I've been fading to the background. Don't leave my room for like a week, don't wanna go out. But all these moments keep reminding me of just how you can't have the highs without the letdowns. I overcomplicate, I underestimate how easy it is to live like this. Feel better if I take my time, just a second and I'll be alright.
Trade show. We got what you need, bring them something they could pay for. Painted on a smile when I'm stepping on my doorstep. I need from the world what she giving me before. A-T-T-E-N-T-I-O-N. Feel me? Yeah, yeah. She my peanut butter jelly snack. Pull it, ride, rushy, painting. That's my sunshine when it's raining. That's my boo, yeah. Yeah, when I'm all alone, she pulled through. So when I catch that wave, we gon' move. But then
close your eyes, get out of your skin. Oh, it is mine, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you.
If you need to learn how to talk to a lady, ask your mum.
I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know. Love you like crazy. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go. Love you like crazy. For too long, I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little